Welcome to Entertainment Update. You are about to watch Appleton Signature Nights with Christopher Martin and friends at Guangos, part 2 of 3.
All night, baby. Tell your man you're gone on business trip. While I got you riding some magic. Play the song! Somebody, oh Lord of mercy. And I'm singing again. It's not the first, not the last. Pretty girls are passing now. Holy Ghost is such a task. How are you? And I see, oh Lord. Pull up. Ladies, listen. I want to sing a song for you. Don't feel away, alright? We're going to sing this right after. Listen, ladies. So if me cheat by you and you catch me, you better you left me. No say you forgive me, then turn around bun me. Listen, don't fight me. Just listen to reasoning. No, baby, you know have to cut off my neck. Just listen. If me cheat by you and you catch me, he better you left me. No say you forgive me, then turn around bun me. God, that's straight up. Now listen, cannot become a do it, means say if you do it, this is not cheat for cheat, and then you tell me you love me. Me no say you never love me. Listen, come in no bun for bun. If you ever give me no bun, we done. The world don't level me telling you hon. So even though me we give me no one none. Play the song, yeah man. Martin, Henderson, Guangos. Oh Lord of mercy. And I'm singing. Alright, again. It's not the first, not the last. Missy is pretty good. Alright, again. Not only Ghost is such a task. I wanna hear you singing to me from you. And I see, oh Lord. Let me cheat on a boyfriend. Now listen up, because as far as I can see, now she knows. Now listen up and I see, oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Now listen to me now, hey, but Lord, if you not stop me, hear the cheater, don't let me get caught. I cannot hear you, don't let me get caught. A little louder, don't let me get caught. Now, oh my Lord, I said I hope I don't get caught. Alright then, when I listen when me tell you now, it's such a sticky situation. You know my promise, my girl, if you only look in our direction. Everywhere me go, me see our next one. I'm a body too weak. I only wanna give the girls what they want. My lady says I'm wrong, she would understand. I don't wanna lie, and I don't want to cry. Guangos tell her why. I say, oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. I wanna hear you sing, as far as I can see now. Whoa, she goes one more time. I say, oh Lord, don't wanna cheat on my girlfriend. I wanna sound so good, but Lord, if you not stop me, one more time, everybody sing. Don't let me get caught. I cannot hear ya. Don't let me get caught. I still cannot hear ya. Don't let me get caught. I say, oh my Lord, I said I hope I don't get caught. Alright then, now listen up again. I don't like me not try. Me love my baby, but this supply my girls for me mind. It's on paper, can't deny. God know me couldn't be everything about me woman and another guy. I know it's hard, yes it's hard. Half one girl is trying to rock to play the part. Should I let me issue you what's in my thoughts? One go sing it from your heart. I say, oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. I wanna sound so good, as far as I can see, my Lord. She loves only me. Now, oh my Lord, I don't wanna cheat on my girlfriend. Can I hear you? Don't let me get caught. Don't let me get caught. Yeah, cheater. I hope I don't get caught. Alright then. But she never make it. Figure and can't get a straight craziness. Oh my God. Me sit down and me meditate. Just can't make she know that she getting it. Yeah, man. One girl to a man, so we setting it. Hey, but for we have one girl, we keep forgetting it. Huh. Never get caught yet. I wanna hear everybody in your feet sing it. Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girl. I wanna hear you sing with me. As far as I can see, my Lord, she loves only me. Now, oh my Lord, I don't wanna cheat on my girl. Trust me, I don't wanna cheat, believe me. But Lord, if you not stop me, now listen up again.
Don't let me get caught.
No.
Don't let me get caught.
Oh.
Don't let me get caught.
Now listen up, and I hope
I don't get caught.
Take it out. All the ladies who've never cheated, make some noise, please. Ladies, if you're faithful, say yeah. But if you give one time, say whoa. No, sir, I mean, I like it. But anyway, take it down. Don't cheat if you're not for cheat. Don't do it if you're not for do it, no. Hide and seek, yes, it's kinda sweet. But don't cheat if you're not for cheat. Now listen up, this are the girls, them anthem. Every man will love woman, push up your hand them. It don't look good. We are gonna try this one again. Now every hand, this are the girls, them anthem. Every man will love woman, push up your hand them. Now listen up, play that song for your girlfriend. Listen up, play that song for your girlfriend. Man of it cheat, getting caught is the problem. Lord, no make me bleed, no man girl. Lord of God, if you don't love the reggae vibe, say yeah. Okay, now if you love the reggae vibe, say whoa. Once again, if you don't love the reggae vibe, say yeah. Ladies, shout all you want. Okay, me say me never cheat, and I never did. You can't see it though. No, God knows I'm never tweet. I cheat on you, girl. Shout all you want, baby. I think you need for the sleep. Oh, you can't see it though. We have got it short. Are you ready? Baseline. Come let them see you, Ron Matheson. Ron Matheson on the bass. Yes. Guangos, can we mash up the place? Listen up. We're gonna fire upon a week and Babylon on them. Listen. We're gonna show you that this is an old school dance on reggae vibe. Do you remember this one? Now listen up. D for diplomats, H for hypocrites. Wanna hear me? Dry for trial and tourists, but every day in your entrepreneurs. See the hypocrites, them a galante, and I see the hypocrites, them a galante, and I see the hypocrites, them a galante, and I see the hypocrites, them a galante. I gonna fire upon a week at Babylon and them freaks. I coulda never get me down. I leave them with a frown. I burn a fire upon a weak heart, Babylon and them freak. Them coulda never get me down. Yes, I know they try to use. Now tell me, Guangos, do you remember this one again? Now tune in, Chris Martin in the lawn. Now tune in, jump dancing in the lawn. Would you hear me now? Now tune in, and I'm Martin in the lawn. Ooh yeah, tune in, and I beg you tune in. And all the sexy ladies, you know what I mean. You love me now, ooh, she loves me now. Oh Yes, she loves me. Ooh, she loves me now. All the reggae lovers, are you ready? If I were a carpenter and you were my... Listen, all my pretty, pretty ladies. Yeah, yeah, Lord. Are you ready? If I were a carpenter, your turn. Huh. Now would you marry me? Now would you have my... Oh, I said if I were a miller, and then mission. Would you miss yourself shook? Now everybody to the bridge with me. And I said, see my love through loneliness, and see my love through sorrow. Now ladies, I'm giving you my all in this. Would you give me your tomorrow? Please, baby. Now won't you give me your tomorrow, baby? Now won't you give me your tomorrow, baby? Now give me your tomorrow, baby. Now won't you give me your tomorrow, baby? Yeah! Thank you so much. You enjoying yourself? Yeah, I have some fun as well, you understand? So listen up. I'm not done yet. I'm not done. You know? But you may just come on and may I sing. Good night, everyone. Yeah, enough love. We get carried away a little, you know? Yeah. So, I'll let you know me from 2005. That shit at us. Yeah, 2005. We give thanks. You know what I mean? Because without you, there'd be no Christopher Martin. So, every chance I get, I have to tell you all thanks. Thank you so much. I love you all so much. You know what I mean? God is amazing. Y'all gave me an opportunity and I took that chance and I made it a big deal out of it. You understand? Yeah. So enough respect goes out to everyone here, especially my dainty ladies. Ladies, I love you so much. But listen up, rude boy, may I tell you this? You see, if it's my Schweppes, just leave my Schweppes to me, alright? Don't try to go around the corner and talk about my Schweppes if it's not your Schweppes. Okay, you see, my Schweppes is my Schweppes. You understand? You say, understand the Schweppes? You know the Schweppes, kick it. Oh, yeah. Now in our Guangos, we tell them, say, chatty, Mount Massic. Legal. Oh, yeah. Na. Big up my brother, Romeo, Trevor now. Chatty. Hey, mix up, why you not? Leave it, cause every low people business. Good God, I tell you what, now see nigga. Why you not low people business? Leave people business alone. Leave people business alone. Now listen up, and I say one time people them used to say. So when you see me on the streets, nobody see me. Crush me for me things and I tell people, say you give me love. Who them can't look in on my face again? When the police come running on my place again. So right now we are circle the score. Guangos massive, can you sing it once more? Everybody me say, chatty. Hey, mix up, why you not love people? I said for leave people business. Good God, I tell you what. Now see nigga, no one's in there for your place for fix up. Why you not love people business? Leave people business alone. I cannot hear you. Leave people business alone. You know, now listen up. You through them chatty, me can't live in peace. Them see me with down and run, go tell my knees. Shit, come and name them my hip yet. Oh Lord, see the hypocrites them up. You hear them out before you see them. Real talk can make because he die and day. She left me cause she listen to them when them a chit chat. Upon my name, them a yip yap. Oh Lord, it's like them wow with people chat. Really give them some of them sit back. So everybody sing again and say, chatty chatty, mount up. Why you not love people business? I said believe people business. Cause God I tell you about. Now sit neighbor, no sit neighbor, your place one fix up. Why you not love people business? Leave people business alone. I cannot hear you.
Leave people business alone.
Still cannot hear you.
Leave people business alone.
One more time.
Leave people business alone.
Take it, jump down. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm telling you, if you see that money or clothing, so if you want clothing, give me clothing, okay, baby? So listen, I want to sing a new song for you tonight. This song is called Better Than the Stars. It's off my album, Big Deal. If you know it, that's nice. If you don't know it, please listen, okay? Thank you so much. Squeeze. I want it only, my girl. Move a little, lily moon is shining bright. You're looking good this evening. You're easy on my eyes. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Love. Sit down. You gotta listen to the words, okay, baby? Cause you're a Nubian queen, you know. Look, focus. You cannot talk to them and I'm here, your reason. You know you lose it. You lose it, you know, baby. Good man coming at you, make him gone, baby. You gotta stay focused. See, right next to me, you had me, but gone now. Listen, groove a little, lily moon is shining bright. You're looking good this evening. You're easy on my eyes. You see how she rubbed me? I'm just focus on you. I'm glad I got to meet you. You're the feature presentation of my evening. Baby, you're looking oh so nice. Don't rush it, don't rush it, don't rush it. Oh, and I can't tell you how my heart is beating, girl, racing deep inside. Feel my heart, baby, feel it, baby. Oh, and I start on a couple, trying my best to count these butterflies. Now listen now, baby, now listen, stop it. Girl, you are so lovely, yeah. You're better than the stars, better than the heavens above. So much better, baby, so much better, baby, baby. You're so lovely, better than the sun, better than the clouds. Would you love me, baby? Tell them, baby, I love you. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. I love it, you know. I love you, baby. You know, we're gonna get in trouble. We love you. So listen, I wanna do some dancehall, like you know, I have a couple dancehall songs I wanna sing and couple of, you understand? So we're gonna start with an oldie but goodie. Are we ready? Listen to me, girl, I'm gonna make sure. And baby girl, I will make sure. I'll tell you I'm gonna make sure to keep you safe. I want all of the ladies to sing and I say, oh, na na na. I'm say yes and you never if I wanna run. What's over this you can see no other girl because you're hooking with me na na. I'm say, oh, call, and who not send telegram. Them a make for. She said she want the hammer to nail up her wall. No weather, spring, winter. And the beanie man fans inside of the party right now. It's all about rum. And the big fat sister Naomi. The two of them clear side of Naomi. And them argue, Naomi. The boy they name me rum. And the big fat sister Naomi. I said the two of them clear side of Naomi. Well anyway, and them arguments. You must know this one. No Sim Simmer. We got the keys to my pimmer. Come on, rub your back. Can you deserve a man to give you love you and much more? On your own, on your own road. Tell her don't take me shot, come on, rub your back. Tanisha, right? And I said, I'm the girls and sugar. I'm the girls I'm singer. Now they call them semi. Skin catch a fire. Not all the girls are standing on fire. Now I'm on my boots, I will never be tired. And I will never get tired. I'm gonna know me used to love me. Me and me some girl just but the lovely son in a god. Take me shot on my buffet. I'm gonna mark it up, mark it up. Anyway, can you deserve a man to give you love you and much more? So much more for you. I'm gonna find me shot on the road, girl. Now me done already have your own phone. I gonna take me shot on my buffet. Over this side, over this side. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Alright. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Hey. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na. Hey. We have the girl them from West Indies. Pretty little girls from the West Indies. Don't you mention the North and the South. Girl them sugar, you sweet, the girls are bad. Tell her run me down that we can get a pizza. Ten girl get ten me touchy me. Me just a but I know most of them say me a tease. But we are the girl pleaser. So I see I go take me shot and mark up. I'm gonna mark it up, mark it up. Me like, can you deserve a man to give you love and much more. So much more than it is. I'm gonna try me camp on the road, girl. Cause me done already have your own phone. I go